Best crypto to buy now November 22, dYdX, THORChain, Fetch.ai. Disclosure: crypto is a high-risk asset class. This article is provided for informational purposes and does not constitute investment advice. By using this website, you agree to our terms and conditions. We may utilize affiliate links within our content and receive commission. Red Hawk gains from dYdX, THORChain, and Fetch.ai show seasoned cryptocurrencies still have room to run. But newcomers Bitcoin ETF token and Bitcoin Minetrix are also joining the party, with their presales heating up while offering big potential at basement prices, making them some of the best cryptos to buy now. Interesting advancements across decentralized finance and AI are driving price action on these tokens, making these projects worth watching. Best crypto to buy now in the news. The native token of the decentralized exchange dYdX has seen a massive price surge of nearly 50% in the 48 hours leading up to November 15, 2023. This has catapulted the token's value to a peak of $4.36, a level it hasn't attained since April 2022. This increase comes right before a large unlock event for the token. On the technological front, dYdX has recently unveiled its Layer 1 blockchain developed on Cosmos technology. This upgrade in the platform's architecture works to enhance its capabilities and expand its transaction processing power. THORChain's token price has consistently surged over the past 15 weeks, coinciding with a robust growth in users as the network's total value locked TVL has recently crossed $300 million. As of the latest data, the price of Rune stands at $5.931 with a market capitalization of roughly $2 billion. The circulating supply is currently at 337.6 million out of a total supply of 483.905 million. THORChain has achieved a volume of $3.67 billion so far in November, placing it as the third largest decentralized exchange DX, just behind Uniswap and PancakeSwap. Fetch.ai is seeing an impressive 475% surge in value year-to-date, believed to be due to growing interest in AI technology and blockchain-based AI projects. Fetch.ai's native token $FET is currently trading at 5,212 cents, with gains of 21% so far today. The token has shown resilience by bouncing back from lower trendline support around the Fib 0.5 level of 4,703 cents. It is currently attempting to break above the Fib 0.382 level, suggesting the potential for further price increases going forward. As the crypto market continues to evolve, new projects are launching that may potentially offer promising returns. Bitcoin ETF token and Bitcoin Minetrix are two such crypto presales that are drawing attention for their pioneering approach and potential impact on the cryptocurrency market. With the gains achieved by dYdX and the advancements made by THORChain, Fetch.ai, Bitcoin ETF token, and Bitcoin Minetrix, these cryptocurrencies rank among the best crypto to buy now. DYX bulls regain control. Breakout on the horizon. DYX seems to have found footing around the 20-day EMA of $3.52 and the Fib 0.618 level of $2.989 after retracing from its year-to-date high, which was set on November 15. The DYX price is up a substantial 76% so far today as it attempts to break through the horizontal resistance zone around the Fib 0.382 level of $3.513. This move higher has pushed the RSI up to 61.54 from yesterday's 53.25, potentially bouncing from the RSI 50 level, which indicates potential for further upside momentum. The MACD histogram has also improved, rising to 0.20 from the previous day's 0.032. This reduction in negative momentum adds to the bullish case for DYX in the near term. With the DYX price now trading at $3.487, bulls will be looking for a decisive break above the resistance zone between $3.372 to $3.551, where the Fib 0.382 level of $3.513 also resides. On the downside, initial support lies between $2.905 to $3.02, where the Fib 0.618 level of $2.989 and 20-day EMA of $3.52 converge. This area held as support on the recent pullback, and a break below here would negate the short-term bullish outlook. The recovery in momentum indicators and move back above the 20-day EMA presents a bullish setup for DYX in the near term. A break above the key $3.50 resistance would confirm this and open the door for further gains, while a drop below $2.90 support would invalidate the upside potential. Rune price rebounds strongly, bullish sentiment returns. After posting impressive gains over the past few weeks, the Rune price faced a pullback over the last 4 days, retracing to the Fib 0.382 support level of $4.853. However, Rune has rebounded strongly today, with prices up by a substantial 21.39% so far and currently trading at $5.931. This bounce from the Fib 0.382 level signals that bullish sentiment may be returning to the Rune market. Evaluating the key technical indicators provides further insight into Rune next potential moves. The 20-day EMA stands at $4.755, remaining above the 50-day EMA of $3.583. His bullish alignment of the shorter-term EMA above the longer-term one reflects the upside momentum seen in the Rune price in recent weeks. Sustaining the 20-day EMA above the 50-day EMA would keep the bulls in control. The RSI jumped to 66.15 from yesterday's 57.50. This surge towards overbought territory indicates the potential for further upside as buying pressure intensifies. A cross above 70 would confirm this bullish outlook. The MACD histogram has improved to 0.11 from the previous day's 0.23 bearish crossover. If Rune sustains its recovery, this crossover could turn out to be a fake-out signaling a resumption of the uptrend, with the Rune price breaking out of the resistance zone between $5.29 and $5.253, as well as surpassing the Fib 0.236 level of $5.249. These levels could now provide support on any pullbacks. To confirm the bullish trend, the Rune price will need to overcome the next resistance between $5.860 and $6.159. A decisive breakup of this zone could set the stage for an extension towards the all-time highs. Overall, the technical picture favors further gains in the Rune price after holding the critical Fib support level. Sustaining above the broken resistance and monitoring the key indicators can help traders capitalize on the emerging upside momentum. Fetch.ai after hitting a multi-month high of 5,794 cents on Monday, the FET price pulled back 11.38% yesterday amidst a broader cryptocurrency market sell-off. However, Fetch.ai appears to be stabilizing above key support near 47 cents, with the FET price up 13.21% today as bulls look to regain control. What do the technical indicators suggest for the FET price outlook in the days ahead? The 20-day EMA for the FET price currently stands at 4,273 cents, remaining above the 50-day EMA at 3,546 cents. With the faster EMA above the slower EMA, this bullish alignment signals positive momentum in the short term. However, with the FET price pulling back from its recent peak, caution should still be exercised before considering new long positions based solely on the EMAs. FET's RSI is currently at 66.94, bouncing back from 60.40 yesterday. This uptick suggests oversold conditions are fading after the sell-off, but not yet in extreme overbought territory. As such, the door remains open for additional upside. At the same time, the MACD histogram sits at 0.0047, up from 0.0035 previously. The indicator remains positive and trending higher, underscoring improving bullish momentum heading into the back half of the week. Currently trading around 5,212 cents, the FET price faces initial resistance at the horizontal zone spanning 4,835 cents to 5,022 cents. This area aligns closely with the Fib 0.382 level of 4,962 cents, adding to its technical significance. A break above could open the door for a retest of Monday's peak. On the downside, initial support appears around 4,703 cents at the 0.5 Fib. This marks the current stabilization point and must hold to maintain the short-term uptrend. Below that, the 20-day EMA at 4,273 cents marks the next key support area to watch. Ultimately, while the FET price remains below resistance, its path of least resistance appears higher, barring a breakdown below the 47-cent support zone. The bullish EMA crossover coupled with rising RSI and MACD support this upbeat outlook. However, trading volumes need to pick back up to validate any continuation higher. Alongside advancements by established players like dYdX, THORChain, and Fetch.ai, Bitcoin ETF token and Bitcoin Minetrix presales present an opportunity to invest early in cryptocurrencies before valuations take off. Searching for promising early-stage cryptocurrencies. With Bitcoin's widespread growth over the past decade, investors are searching for promising cryptocurrencies that are still under the radar. The goal is to invest early before valuation takes off with mainstream adoption. One strategy is exploring new blockchain projects holding presale events for their native tokens. Presales allow early purchase of tokens at discounted rates compared to eventual public listing prices. Though risky, presales can provide first-mover exposure before cryptocurrencies gain traction. Two ongoing crypto presale opportunities are Bitcoin ETF token and Bitcoin Minetrix. Both projects seek to advance blockchain technology and offer new utility. The presale discounts on Bitcoin ETF token and Bitcoin Minetrix tokens provide investors access to the cryptocurrencies at a fraction of their potential future prices. These new assets could become intriguing alternatives to established currencies like Bitcoin. Extensive due diligence is still critical, as many presale tokens never deliver. Vetting for real-world use cases, strong teams, and differentiated technology helps uncover the most viable presale projects. With Bitcoin ETF decision on the horizon, Bitcoin ETF tokens $BTC is one of the best crypto to buy now. Cryptocurrency advocates are on the edge of their seats as the SEC's impending decision on a spot Bitcoin ETF draws nearer, an approval potentially unleashing crypto into the mainstream. As the SEC's next deadline on January 10 creeps closer, speculation over spot Bitcoin ETF approval reaches a fever pitch, threatening to make or break hopes that 2024 marks a landmark year. The new crypto asset, Bitcoin ETF token $BTC, launched a presale seeking to capitalize on the hype, quickly raising over $1.36 million as investors bet on the SEC greenlighting a Bitcoin ETF product. Spotting the path ahead. The Bitcoin ETF token stands out, representing a proactive step toward future Bitcoin ETFs. Created on ethereum, $BTC anticipates and embraces this upcoming evolution, delivering unique advantages to its community. Pick Twitter.com/BIXWOCJRAC. BTC token at BTC token November 20, 2023. Stage 4 of the presale for the ERC20 token ends in under 48 hours, after which the price per token increases from 56 cents to 58 cents. $BTC ties its value to real-world events related to a Bitcoin ETF through creative mechanisms designed to multiply gains. For example, when trading volume hits $100 million, the transaction tax drops from 5% to 4%. If the first spot Bitcoin ETF gains approval, the tax falls further to 3%. The token also features a deflationary burn design where up to 25% of the total supply can be destroyed, applying upside price pressure. $BTC seeks to offer exposure to the potential profits of the spot Bitcoin ETF launch. Bloomberg analysts estimate a 90% chance of approval this year given previous rejections and growing crypto regulation. IMG equals https://com/roman6/id/hq default. JPG alt equals with equals 480 height equals 360 iframe title equals BTC token new tanks potential crypto presale. With equals 640 height equals 360 src equals https://www.youtube.com/embed/fb7xfdk link. Feature equals owned frame border equals 0 allow equals accelerometer, autoplay, clipboard write, encrypted media, gyroscope, picture-in-picture, web share allow full screen /iframe. As cryptocurrencies continue marching towards mainstream adoption, $BTC offers an exciting opportunity for investors to potentially profit from the approval of a Bitcoin ETF, which could accelerate crypto's integration into traditional finance. With its unique mechanisms and deflationary tokenomics, $BTC makes for a compelling speculative bet for those who foresee the SEC greenlighting a spot BTC ETF soon. Bitcoin Minetrix, the best crypto to buy now for retail investors eyeing mining profits. Bitcoin mining has long seemed out of reach for most retail investors, but a new platform called Bitcoin Minetrix is set to change the game. Through a cutting-edge cloud mining model, the project intends to make Bitcoin rewards accessible to everyday individuals despite the high barriers to entry in the mining sector. Presenting Bitcoin Minetrix, a cloud mining innovation enabling people to participate in decentralized $BTC mining effortlessly. By removing risks associated with third-party cloud mining, users have complete command over their mining endeavors. Bitcoin mining. Pick Twitter.com/hi_nkmr4all. Bitcoin Minetrix at Bitcoin Minetrix November 22, 2023. The presale for $BTC MTX tokens has generated substantial interest, raising over $4.26 million so far. Investors are drawn to Bitcoin Minetrix's stake-to-mine model, which will allow staking $BTC MTX tokens to earn additional tokens that can then be redeemed for Bitcoin cloud mining slots. This provides a decentralized way for individuals to participate in mining while earning income potential. It also supports the decentralization of the Bitcoin network, which has seen increasing centralization among large mining pools. By making cloud mining accessible to the masses, Bitcoin Minetrix and its $BTC token provide new avenues for crypto enthusiasts. The project is well positioned to capitalize on the current bullish sentiment around crypto, with Bitcoin back on the hunt to reach $40,000. For investors, $BTC offers major upside potential from its current low presale price. The community excitement is clear across social media as anticipation builds for one of the best crypto to buy now. Disclaimer: crypto is a high-risk asset class. This article is provided for informational purposes and does not constitute investment advice. You could lose all of your capital. Enter your email for our free daily newsletter, a quick 3-minute read about today's crypto news. Sign up. SRC equals https://simd co/p/ml300 jpeg alt equals image class equals imd id equals newsletter pop-up imd.